There's probably no other topic within the cryptocurrency space that has received more attention than non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These digital goods, ranging from artwork and music to video game items, and even sports highlights, demonstrate a legitimate use case for cryptocurrencies. The concept of non-fungible tokens has been known to cryptocurrency fans for several years, but NFTs, as they are also called, have only become really popular in 2021. The new industry trend has become so well known that some of the rarest NFTs sell for tens of millions of dollars. What are the reasons for such a high cost and whether this trend has a future? In this video, we'll take a look at 3 important rules to invest in before getting into NFTs and some safety precautions to be aware of. First, let's take a look at 3 important aspects and some safety features before investing into any NFT project. The first thing to take notice is to see if the founders are public. Are they public and are known to most of the population? What is their background in business, and are they reputable in strategic marketing? It's much better to invest in a project where you know the founders, because it allows you to research their business history and know what to expect from them. It is also a sign of trust, because by showing their face and name, it means that all intentions to run away with the money are gone, since it can ruin their whole reputation if done so. Keep in mind, any project has more of a potential to be successful if the founders have fame and fortune, since they already have a massive following behind them and the funds to push a lot of marketing. The second thing to be aware of is the designs of the project. Do you like the designs of the project? After all, NFT is still simply art, digitized yes, but it's still art. So enjoying the art should be the foundational work of research you have to put in yourself before investing into any project. Is the artist famous or not? The third aspect to look at is the roadmap. Do you like the roadmap and the future of the project? Do you think it's promising, and do you think it's doable? You have to ask yourself all these questions before investing, because if it's not feasible or unreadable, the project might not do as well and end up not selling out from mints on launch date, which is a very important aspect if you want to day trade and flip NFTs the same day. The most important thing to keep in mind is to not get scammed by any projects that are out there stealing money from people. The NFT craze doesn't just attract investors like you. It also attracts a lot of bad people, especially hackers. And these hackers will do anything to hack the project and make money off the back of an NFT community. Here are the most important rules to follow in order not to fall into a trap. Activate 2FA authentication on your device. Close your DMs, or if you don't close them, never click on a link. Some hackers have the ability to track your device down and look at anything you do by a simple click of a link. So it's important not to click any link whatsoever. Know that the teams of any project will never contact you first in direct messages, so if you receive DM on Discord from what looks like to be the owners, be sure not to click and delete immediately, since it is most likely a scam. Only trust the links that are in the official links channel of the Discord. Never buy a white list from others pretending to be part of the team. Never click on links that are in the general chats or links from other people that are not the owners. At the date of minting, be sure to wait for the official links in the official links channel. Now you should be ready and secure with your NFT investments.